Yeah, I mean, so right now in Texas, insurance companies, they obviously like the newer roof.
Mm-hmm.
Surprise!
Yeah.
It's gonna last longer.
Yeah.
But a majority of even some carriers right now that I've got, if it's over a year old,
Mm-hmm.
they won't want it. So it's literally has to be a basically brand new roof, 0 to 1 year. But if it's 10 years or older, it kind of cuts your carrier pool in half.
Mm-hmm.
Quite frankly, this just is what it is. Everybody through COVID, so many people pulled out of Texas home insurance.
Yeah,
they're slowly coming back in with all these limitations. But as a roof gets older, it's not priceless, but it's worth less.
Yeah.
And so most carriers right now, if it's 10 years or older, they do actual cash value, which is basically a depreciated value, just like a car would be. Mm-hmm. So just like with a roof, they'll do 3 to 5% off every year, and eventually your roof is priceless.
Yeah.
Worthless. But if it's over 15 years in Texas, I'm not going to say not. There's like a 1% chance you can find a replacement cost roof so that you can get through closing with a roof that age.
So is this forcing the homeowners to make a claim to get their roof replaced?
Or pay cash. So
but realistically, how many pay cash?
Right. Well,